Student, today I welcome you my channel Maths by Vinas. Today we shall continue our class. Today we are going to discuss median of group data. In earlier class we discussed mod. So let's start our class. See the median for a group data. In this class we have to learn how we calculate median of any group data. There is certain steps are involved. In step First we have to calculate the frequency distribution table for their cumulative frequency. In class 9 we already studied how we calculate the cumulative frequency. Just we have to add the succeeding one of the frequencies that will be formed our cumulative frequency table. Now in step 2, find the sum of the given frequencies. We have to calculate their sums. In step 3, look at the cumulative frequencies which is just greater than n by 2. N by 2 means what? Just we have to add all the frequency and divide it by 2. This is your n. And this n by 2 is just greater than, we have to check that cumulative frequency table. And that cumulative frequency table's values are known as median class. And lastly, we have to apply the formula of median. L, where L is our lower limit, plus n by 2 minus Cf into h, where n by 2 is our that sum of the frequencies divided by 2, and cumulative frequency is just preceding one, just preceding of one of the median class, and h is our width of the class and f is frequency. Now see, let's take an example how we apply these steps in a given question. Let's see. Question said, find the median for the following frequency distributions. These are the data table is given. These are the class interval and these are the frequencies. Now data started with 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 32 to 40, and 40 to 48. These are our class interval and their frequencies are 8, 10, 16, 24, 15, 7. These are the frequencies are given. Now see how we apply the following steps. Now first we have to construct our table. This is our class. This is our frequency and this is our cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is represented by Cf and thus frequency is represented by small f. And our intervals are there 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 32 to 40, and last one 40 to 48. Clear, and frequencies are 8, 10, 16, 24, 15, 7. Now see how we calculate our cumulative frequency table. Just we have to copy the first data. Here is first frequency is 8, right here 8. How we find cumulative? Just add below 1. just add below 1 and right here. 8 is added with 10, it becomes 18 right here. 18 is added with 16, just right here. It becomes how much? This becomes 14 and this becomes 34. In same procedure, just add below 1 and right here. This becomes 58. Just add below 1 right here. This becomes 73. And just we have to add below 1. This becomes 80. I hope this one is clear to how we find the cumulative frequency. I repeat once again. Just copy the data, same here, 8 and just below 1. 8 plus 10 right here, 18. Now again, 18 plus 16, 34. 34 plus 24, 58. Just add below 1 right here. And next step, what we do, we have to find our Fi. This Fi is our AT and this Fi is known as our N. Clear? Now, we have what we have. First, what we do, just we have to find our N by 2. The sum of the whole frequency is our N. Here N is 80, N by 2. This becomes what? 40. Clear? The next step, just you have to check more than 40 in a cumulative frequency table. Just we have to check. After this, check which one is greater than 40 in a cumulative frequency table. If you see this value is greater than 40 is 58. Now here, right here, now the cumulative frequencies is just greater than 40 is 58. This 58 just greater than 40 is 58. Now the median class will be what? 24 to 30. Therefore our median class will be 58 line of each class. 34. Clear? Now write all the values. Our lower limit will be 24 and our frequency will be, lower limit will be 24 and our frequency will be also 24. Clear? And CF, see how we take CF. Those values you have to take. Just 40 is just greater than 58. We have to take just cumulative, just is preceding one. Just whenever you take whatever value you have to take, just you have to take preceding one. That preceding one is your CF. Is 34 is your CF. Clear? And width of the class is 8. Clear? Now apply the formula. We know that median is equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now substitute all the values. Our lower limit will be 24, N by 2 is our 40, CF is our 34, cumulative frequency is 24 and this value will be 8. You calculate, you get 26 of our required value. I hope this one is clear to you.